In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect microphone to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up any sort of microphone that you have with your console. This is going to work if you have a standalone microphone, like this one from PS5, or if you have a gaming headset that of course includes a microphone that you would like to use. I'm going to showcase the two main connection types. So the first one, which is more convenient, is going to be through USB. All that you have to do in this case is to plug the USB cable into any of the available USB ports on the PlayStation 5. So it can either be a standard USB-A or even USB-C if your particular microphone supports it. As soon as the connection is established between the PlayStation 5 and the microphone, you are good to go. I'm going to showcase how to make sure that it is selected as the input device later, but this is all that you have to do. So plug one end of the cable into the microphone and the other one goes into the PlayStation 5. There's no secret to this. Alternatively, if you have a 3.5mm microphone or if you're using a gaming headset, they might have this 3.5mm cable. In this case, plug it into the 3.5mm audio jack on your DualSense controller. Once again, I'm going to talk about what to do if you have to adjust the settings, but it's as simple as establishing the connection between the gaming headset and the console. As soon as this connection is established, if you go to the settings and you access the sound category under microphone, you will see input device and your current microphone is going to be displayed here. You can set it up to make sure that it is being used between all games, all voice chats, and so on. And once it is set up through the input device, you will be able to use it to talk to other people online. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect a microphone to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.